I've just installed Gramps' new major release 5.2. 5.2? Really? Yeah, 5.2. And they still don't have dark mode? Well, let's find out. Warning, warning, danger, danger. What does that mean? I suppose if I was a proper geek, I wouldn't worry about that sort of thing. Gramps comes with a core set of plugins. You can extend with additional. Oh. Well, let's just see if we can get that dark mode in here at this point. Plugin library. Simple theme and font adjustment, especially useful for Windows users. Let's just click that and see what happens. This is all very vague, you know. I mean, you got to be a programmer to use Gramps, but that's all right. I'm not a programmer, but I'm willing to pretend that I am from time to time. Let's just install that puppy. This is how you start everything. Let's go. Doesn't matter which one I open up. Are you sure you want to upgrade his family tree? Oh my. It's a difficult task. I ended up not opening any tree. Preferences. Oh look, there's your add-on manager. Supposed to be helpful in some way. I don't recall seeing this before. Alright. Let's go over here to theme. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? Now you got your various themes, supposedly. Oh, I don't know if this is going to be helpful. I don't think it is. Oh, wait. What do you call that? Dark variant? Oh my goodness, look. It's a dark theme in Gramps? Oh. Why does everything have to be brown? I get tired of seeing brown. Can I just change it to any color I want? That's dark variant of high contrast. Inverse. Win32. Well, it looks like you got to do either this inverse one or this Adwaita one. Any changes are saved immediately. Oh, that's nice. Now, we don't want to mess with this. Why? Because it's got like 12 different colors in it, and that's not what I'm looking to do. I just want it dark so I can see it. Seems to me like we just solved our little problem. And why? Oh my goodness. What is all this? This is scary. Warning, warning, warning. GTK is the widget's toolkit, I believe. Oh yeah, spin button is a widget. I don't know what that means. I'm not sure I want to know. Now look. I also want to know, is this fixed? So this is easy to use. Well, to have a double-headed arrow, that's helpful. No active object. What is that supposed to mean? I don't want to hear the word object. I want to hear about people, places, and events. I don't want all this geek talk here. No active object. Come on, keep the geek talk out of the program. That's supposed to be in the background for you developers. Manage family trees, and instead of opening a recent, load family tree. Are you sure? Oh, come on. The sample family tree has to be upgraded, and it's a difficult task. Why don't they give us a sample tree that actually works with this version? I have to make a new one. Manage family trees, make a new one. That's all right. Okay, this is going to be, let's just say 5.2. Load the family tree. Oh, there's a plus button. Was that there before and I just didn't see it? I watched a movie last night about Barry Seal. He was a criminal. Iran-Contra guns for drugs scandal. Earlier part of that, where it was all about Contras and Sandinistas and stuff before it moved to Iran. So his name was on the tip of my tongue for some reason. We'll just say he's a male. All right. Before, I used to have a problem. This would sometimes work and sometimes not work. It seems to be more reliable now. Let's make a place. See what we can do here. Add a place. Baton Rouge. Did I not learn my lesson before? You have to make the big places first. Is that the truth? Let's just go USA real quick. This is just for fun. Now I want to make a place Inside of that, let's go Louisiana. Well, look at that. I'd say Gramps has made some big changes. I mean, big for me, because the things that were bothering me before, like not having a double arrow there so you knew something was going on, that's good. Or you can also go like this, add, right click, add, or you can use this button there. Let's say Baton Rouge. That's a city. I've never been to Louisiana. Well, Gramps is doing well. I'd say Gramps is really cutting the mustard here, coming up with some nice changes, because this was unpredictable before and now it works. I learned by experience, I guess, that you have to make USA first and then put the smaller places inside of it. I think that's the best way to do it anyways. I've barely used Gramps, and the purpose of this movie is to show how easy it is to use without any experience. Now I'm getting a little bit of experience, but not much, because all my time is spent writing genieware, not using it. I used to use it. This has been improved. This works a lot better. Now you know when to click, because before you just had this arrow. So you didn't know when to push the mouse button and click. Now you get a double arrow when it's at the right place. Before you had to hit the exact pixel. Now that's a big improvement. I like that. The dark mode is huge. That is a big deal for me. I could possibly even go into Gramps and start using it if I wanted to actually do some genealogy. I couldn't use it before because, put it this way, I haven't been out to the garden yet today, so I'm kind of seeing double. I need to get outside and get some sunshine in my eyes just so I can use the computer. I really like this. Congratulations, Gramps. You done good. Thanks for fixing some stuff. That's really excellent. I don't know when those changes were made exactly, because before I believe I was using 5.1.5 or something, and now this is 5.2, major upgrade of some kind. So check out Gramps. Looks good. Bye.